Hi everybody, my name is Paul Sacconi, coming to you live from the Adobe booth in person at NAB 2022. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about Frame.io for Adobe Creative Cloud and the new integration we have with Premiere Pro. So Frame.io is a secure and scalable cloud-based platform that gives you one central place to store all of your media and all of the comments about your media so that you can collaborate with other people, no matter where they are. So in the new version of Premiere, we've updated the workspace menu, which now includes an option for review. When you click on review, you'll see Frame.io opens here on the left side. I'm already logged in, and what you'll see is I have access to all of my projects. We're currently in my demo project, so I've got all of my folders and all of my footage and all of my clips. I can import media right from Frame.io into Premiere Pro, or I can send sequences from Premiere Pro back up to Frame.io for review and approval. Okay, so I've got Frame.io in the panel here in Premiere Pro, but the great thing about it is that it really works wherever you are. I can work in my NLE. Here I've got it in my web browser, so I'm just going to click my back button. You can see some of the same things in my web browser that I have in Premiere Pro. It also works on my iPad or my iPhone, and now we just announced at NAB a brand new Apple TV app, so you can actually use it on your Apple TV as well. Okay, so I'm going to take this sequence and I'm going to send it from Premiere to Frame.io so that I can have my collaborators or my teammates comment on it. So all I do is I'm going to go down and find the active sequence, which is right here. I'm going to upload that, select active sequence in the Frame.io panel, and then it gives me some options and formats that I want to do. And I'm going to do the whole sequence, and I'm just going to upload this. And when I do, it's opening Adobe Media Encoder, and you can see Media Encoder is encoding the video, and it's going to upload it to Frame.io as soon as it's done. All right, so it looks like that is done. So let me go over to Frame.io. You can see that it is uploading to Frame.io. This is inside of Premiere right here. And it'll be done in just a minute. Now I can go over to Frame.io, and you can see this is my web browser. Anybody on the planet can be seeing this now. It's actually queued and it's uploading, so we know on the web browser, in the client, that we've got an incoming file. So that'll be here in just a minute. So there it is. So I'm in the web browser now. I double click on it and I get the Frame.io player. And you can see there's a bunch of comments here that have been left on the video. I can scroll through them just by clicking. I can go and add my own comment. Great shot. Let's brighten it up. And I'm going to send that comment. Okay, so I've just added my comment, and here it is right there. So we'll go back to Premiere Pro now. So you can see here in the Frame.io panel for Premiere, the clip has already been added and uploaded, and if I click into it, this is the clip that we just rendered and sent to Frame, you can see my new comment right there. And when I look at the comment panel, I can scroll through all of the comments here, and this is the comments. You can see the playhead in the timeline will go right to that comment. So now the editor knows exactly what I want to do. This is a great shot, but let's brighten it up. So now I could do that, and I can finish it and re-render a new version back. And you can do this back and forth with review and approval for however long you like. So the integration is really tight, back and forth to Frame.io with the comments coming back between Frame and Premiere. So this is the Frame.io integration in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's very similar in After Effects. We want everybody that's using Frame.io to have a consistent experience no matter what creative app they're using. So while Frame.io is included with your Creative Cloud subscription, and you of course can use it in Premiere Pro, we still are compatible with Final Cut Pro, Resolve, Media Composer, and the experience is very similar. So you can take your Frame.io for Creative Cloud account and you can use that with whatever other creative software you want to. So no matter where you're working, Frame.io will be there with you, and the experience is very consistent and very similar so that you can get your work done. So Frame.io for Creative Cloud lets you have 2 users working on up to 5 concurrent projects at the same time. We give you 100 gigs of dedicated Frame.io storage, and one of the things that's really different about the Creative Cloud version of Frame.io is that it includes Camera to Cloud, which lets us shoot directly to the cloud huge time saver, workflow game changer, and that's not available to anybody else unless you're using a separate paid Frame.io account. So we include it with Creative Cloud. It is not included with the free Frame.io subscriptions.